Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I'm going to show you a little problem that a lot of people have with the blend tool when they're trying to do a two-color blend like this. I should have pre-drawn you don't want to use a 2-point line. You want to use your freehand tool set on 100 because that'll make your handwriting look a lot better. Yeah, I don't like that at all. I was thinking about making 2 loops. Okay, see how the 100% made my smoother? Now I can even make it smoother because I don't like that hump. I can grab these node handles and take away that sharpness. And I want this a little wider and maybe not quite as far apart. And I'm going to call that good. So that's our path. I'm actually going to do it 2 different ways. So I'm going to hit the plus key and put another path. This is a mistake a lot of people make. I'm going to take an ellipse. I'm going to fill it with that dark blue. I'm going to take away the outline, which is pretty important. And then I'm going to take my interactive fill tool and I'm going to swipe across and I'm going to put that light blue there. Now here's the mistake a lot of people make. They want to alter the blue, so they hit the plus key and they flip it, okay? And then they blend it. And I want to show you the difference. I'm going to blend it 999, which is the maximum you do. You can already see something wrong. Blend along new path, blend along full path. Okay, see what's wrong? Now I should have made a copy of that. So what I'm going to do I'll just use that same one. I want to make sure I just have one. So I'm going to make a copy of that and move it over, but I'm not going to flip it or rotate it. I'm going to get back to the interactive fill tool and I'm going to go right here and reverse fill. Now watch what happens. Apply. See the difference? Blend along new path. Blend along full path. And look at that. And we put a black box around that. It's pretty impressive. So think about that. It's just like when you're doing 2 lines and people will draw a line. I need to get the 2-point line. They'll get the 2-point line. They'll go over here and draw another line. Did you see what I did wrong? Well, what happens if we blend them just 10 times? And look at it. Because I did it wrong. If you look at it with the shape tool, this one is going up and this one is going down. And first of all, they're different size lines. So the best thing you can always do is just make the plus key and hold down the control button. Now both of them are going in the same direction. So now when you blend, it'll do that. So anytime you get something messed up, I mean, it's just with an ellipse you can do it. So next time you have something funky, think about, which way you drew it. And isn't this funny that I drew this like this and it put it on that's going underneath, this one on top and then on top again. The last thing I drew. Anyway, I hope that gave you a little bit of information and thank you for watching.